Animation was the highlight of the course for me because I fell in love with it, and it allowed me to create my own characters and bring them to life. I'm Hannah and I'm a student at Pixelcraft. I really enjoyed working with each person in our class, our classmates, and doing our logos for each other because it helped me learn how to deal with clients and behave in a professional environment and also learn the right questions to ask. One of my favorite projects was when we had to animate each other, and it was really fun, and it's fun to see everyone come to life in a character. I arrived here as an amateur, but since coming to Pixelcraft, it's helped me build my confidence so much, and now I can leave here ready to take on another animation job. I highly recommend joining Pixelcraft whether you're starting out like an amateur like me or expanding your skills as a graphic designer. You won't believe the transformation that will occur.